Now we are moving on to edit a photo, make a collage, or create a design. Can you people guide me to which option I should go? Edit a photo, make a collage, or create a design? Edit a photo, make a collage, create a design. Create a design. I'm going to create a design means Flash is disabled, so I have to enable Flash, so that Flash is required. So I'm going to allow Flash player. Certain things don't need explanation, certain things are required, तो इसको करके आगे चलते हैं. Now Flash has been enabled, so I have logged in. Please remember, this is my account I had made, so I'm creating a design now. Now it is loading and I'm getting in IPK. Yes, I have entered and you people are there with me, I can see. Meanwhile, I had prepared something for you all. आप देखिए ना, I prepared something, yes. And I'll tell you where did I do it. And some people will get to know. Let me open it. Okay, we'll see. Yes, here it is. If you like it, do let me know in the chat. If you like it and you want to make one, if you people like it and you want to make one like this, okay. Now I missed something. Now I guess you can listen to the music. चलिए सर. So that is the selling pitch now. I am trying to sell a product to you. अब बता दीजिए ये कहाँ बना है. और ये this music is also free. Like you can use this music. Nobody is going to stop you from using it. And we'll learn where to do this thing. And can you imagine this was made on Canva? Just like in those 5 minutes when I could like get a break, and then this was made. So this was made on Canva. Here it is. I'm just going to prove it to you that it was made. And in Canva, this video thing is there. Try Canva Pro free for 30 days. I'm not opting for it. Now, can you see this is the thing that I was doing, and this is music. I added music from here. I simply dragged it and dropped on my video. Photos, templates, videos, I took videos. So we'll do it after doing IPKey. IPKey, create a design. I'm using Edge. Sometimes in Microsoft, like Edge, which is a Windows inbuilt browser, I use it for IPKey. Reason being, the Flash player enable and disable is bit tough in Google Chrome for some people. So I'm going with IPKey on Microsoft Edge. Let me try again. We are opening IPKey now. No Photoshop, Ashish ji, it was Canva. See, Photoshop, like if you install it and with a pirated license, no resource person, no trainer is going to share that with you. We would recommend that you use only those resources which are free. So we are just, you say, it requires internet speed. IPKey requires internet speed, not much, but still it does. Now let it upload. Yes, it is. Now we are creating a design, if you remember. And when we are creating a design, the thing to remember by all of us is not that we can do whatever we want to do, but the thing is, it gives you the options. Now see, we are creating a design. We are going to do everything. I'm just making it this size so that I can put things properly. Now, you people are going to help me. I'm clicking on add a photo. Or should I add the text first? I can add a vector sticker also. These are the stickers, everyone. License. Which license? Attribution. Let's do the first things first. So we are adding a sticker. We are adding a vector sticker. This means CC BY. We are making a CC BY thing. Let me add an image, upload an image. I'm going to the same folder, going to take the golden brown image that we had taken for peace, so that this background can easily be like placed here. I'm using the piece image. Uploaded will appear on the left hand side once uploaded, and because you people have made an account, so it will remain here always. Now I'm going to click here, drag from this corner, and we'll give it the full page thing. Full page. But now what happened? That thing went, that thing has come, that thing went back, and this thing has come forward. So there is image, this photo. Now what I'm doing now, the moment I pasted the image, this designer has opened. So these two buttons you need to remember on IP key. Bring, this is send backward and bring forward. So this image that I have selected, I want to send it to the background backward, so that the icon that we used for CC by should come. So I'll say send backward. You can see now this has happened. So this is there, you can see. And you don't worry about it, this portion is going out, but when we are, the image will be made by all of us, this portion will remain out, and it won't come in the screen that we'll make. CC by, you want to add text. Now let me know which font, and don't be fascinated by the fonts that people provide, but still they have got beautiful fonts. All these are fonts. Let me take which one. Okay, you're not suggesting. Okay, let's take this one. I'm taking this. So where do you type? You type here. Here is the text. You don't type here that way. यहाँ नहीं type होगा. You don't type on the screen. You type on the right hand side. Here you can type. So here you will type your text, and then like say, this is our life, and I will drag it to the top, and then
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, there is an announcement.
Please.
Please, sir. सभी प्रतिभागी अपनी अटेंडेंस मार्क कर लें 12:30 तक. Your attendance link is shared on the chat box. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. I'm stopping with the IP key, giving you 5 minutes, and I'm moving on to certain things which are known to you, explaining things verbally. Attendance mark करें, वापस लौटें. Okay, we'll stay with it. Like, it would be better. The link is being shared in the chat for attendance. Now this is the image we have pasted on IP key, and these are the different features: hue, saturation, brightness, contrast, and all these things are there. And this is the image we are creating. Let us add something else. There are inbuilt, you say, Control Z is something which will undo. Okay, I'll put it and then do this and do this. Okay, let me take one more icon. There are so many things. Let me take a ribbon. Which ribbon? I'll take this one. This ribbon has come. I click on ribbon, drag it to make it big. Then I'll go to T for text, and this is the text. I'll drag it here. I can change the color. The color is black. I'll change the color to white, and then I will say, here we are. Now this is white. You can change the color also, the one you want, your choice. You can change the background. You can change so many other things here only. But please remember, once you click on save and export, like export means what? You export it to photo editor. Now see, if you remember, we are working in the designer. What are the features here? There is an editor, there is a collage maker, there is a designer. You have to come out of the designer to edit it as a photo. Please remember, from IP key, when you people are designing something, you have to export it as an image. Now it will come to the editor becoming a photo. Now it has become a photo. You can see, isn't it beautiful? It is. Now let me resize the image, pixels or percentage. Let me rotate and flip. Let me provide this mirror effect. Let me do the vertical mirror effect. No. Let me crop the picture. Okay, I'm cropping it as much like we need, not to destroy, and just to prove it. Apply, cropped. Let me provide it a different color. Which color I want to give to the whole image? Let me go with color picker. I'm going to pick the color, and then let me do like some correction here. And there are something like you say brush hardness. I can pick a color. I can give it effects also. I can take original colors. Such things are there. We'll move on. I'm just canceling everything, everyone. Colors means we can change the colors. We can change the temperature. See, I change the temperature, everything changes. I'm changing the temperature. So these are features that I wish burn, dodge, erase the background. Liji, I'm erasing the background now. And what does it mean? I'll tell you. Save my computer, not on Facebook. Apply all the changes. This is design 1 TLC. PNG I am saving because I have decided to take a transparent background. 344 KB is the size. Let's go to LBSSV. Let's go to presentation, everyone. Let's go to a blank slide. Blank slide, please. Somewhere added. Yes. Going to the folder, everyone. Finding out where is that image. Here it is. Control C. Coming to the presentation. Going to the blank slide and pasting it. Can you people recognize? Let me prove it. How it can be proven that I have got a transparent image from IPKey. I am taking solid background and making it black. Can you see this now? If you can see it, please appreciate IPKey. See, I created a transparent image and now it has come here. I'll go back to IPKey in the Microsoft Edge, continue editing. I'll say yes. I can undo now because I have downloaded it, but it is still there. I did not finish the editing. Now it is normal. And these are different. Black and white sepia is a very nice filter that you people have seen on Instagram. Black and white, you can create it black and white. See, you can give different colors, different tastes to the different things. You can light, brightness, you can set the contrast also. You can invert it as you say, if you know, we used to have those negatives of the photographs. You can add some noise. In the language of photography, every you say pollutant that you see, the dust you see, in the language photography we call it noise. जो फोटोग्राफी में फोटोज में क्लैरिटी नहीं आती है, डस्ट नजर आती हो, जो आपको पिक्सल्स टूटे से दिख रहे हैं जैसे इसमें अभी, ये वाला, इस चीज को नॉइज बोलते हैं फोटोग्राफर्स. And then smart blur. Let me blur. Wherever I will blur, okay, blur means enlarge the blur, strength of the blur, and you can see certain things are going to get blurred. They are getting blurred. ये fade उड़ा दिया इसका. So these are the things. If you give it complete strength, things have got blurred. But we are not doing it. आपको अगर IP की ठीक लग गया है तो you allow me to. Color balance is also possible. Auto fix is also possible here. Like auto, it will fix it like itself. Auto correct is also there. See, these things are there. You can click here, retouch, like a sort of a makeup of the image. Blemish, you say you want to create a burn, you want to create a wrinkle remover is also there. So I want to remove a wrinkle from this. Wrinkle remover sort of will blur the thing. These are the things like that happen. I cancel it. Please explore it further. Shine remover is there. If I see some shine is happening at one place, I can remove the shine. I can just keep on clicking with the mouse, taking this circle, and then this can be done. When noise is disturbing in an image, can we search images online from IPKey? No, IPKey is a online software. We can take it as this thing. Why is there an option of adding noise? Rushiji, sometimes we, like, if you have seen, every movie is not shot at the night. Sometimes they add a filter to it. Even on Instagram you can use it just to make the photo give an artistic you say effect to it. That is why we we want to like add noise. And people also say that perfection is not beautiful always. Certain times we need, if you remember that boy repairing the Bajaj Chetak scooter, the photo is a disturbing one, but we can see some kind of artistry in it. So noise is sometimes added. All these effects are for the people who in a way are artists. So you click on here, like you'll explore it, crop your basic editor, you can go. I'm going with this, I'm taking a brush and I am adding the brush. Now this is the brush. Now this is sponge. Sponge means I can clarify things with a sponge. As you go to the kitchen slab and provide it, you say, so this is a circle, I'm using it, and it won't go outside, it will remain in the image only. I'm just discarding all the changes, coming back to the basics. And what we are doing is we are doing IPK. These are different things, everyone, बहुत कुछ है. There are so many things in IPK and you people can explore it further. We are working on editor. I can save this image in my computer, and when I'm saying it gives me quality, I'll say highest quality I want. It says 177 KB, gentlemen. I'll say okay, fine, design 1, save to my computer. It will ask, I will save design 11, I'll make it. We'll go to the folder, we'll see the design 1 is this one, design.
Hello, that's my hello.
Yeah, this is 1, or this is there. So hello, अब बताइए, can we use any other color? Yeah, we can use. You can explore it. Like if I go, ये लीजिए, ये हम इसको बंद कर देते हैं. And the query is, can we use any other color other than black? Black means this one. So see, when I am inserting things, when I am like yeah, you can use any color. That is what I can say. Like if you add on something and you are adding these, you can see color is here. Such resources are designed very carefully. Even the size of the brush is also there. You can decide the size of the brush also. I've taken color picker, so whatever color I will pick, that color will come. Like suppose I click here, that color will be given to the brush that I am painting. So color is here, everyone. I guess I have given the reply. Can we try the noise reduction option here? And I'm opening IPK Collage Maker. Here is the Collage Maker. The photos have been uploaded and they will remain there. I'm going to drag this image, throw it here, and then it will get added. I'll refresh it because I had lost the connection though. This image has been getting dragged and then getting added. So these are the things you can do. I'm adding as many images as I want. Suppose I want to make a collage for my classroom wall. I wish लॉकडाउन के बाद जब आप जाएं तो क्लास के हर बच्चे की फोटो का कितना अच्छा लगेगा. द होल क्लास इज बीइंग पेस्टेड ऑन अ पोस्टर. द स्कूल्स आर गोइंग टू डू इट, आई थिंक so, but even the universities can also do it. The class you are handling as a mentor or as in charge, every student's photograph is being placed there for them as a pleasant surprise or as a pleasant thing whenever things are going to get open. Like this is here, I'm adding images. I'm just telling you how to like make a collage. What I have done, I have taken this format of the collage. That is why I am doing this, sir. Now this, you can see. Now this is the collage I have been making. These are the images I am looking one by one, and in the collage, everyone, we can easily like edit the collage individual images also. Like if I click here and then this pencil comes, and on the pencil thing I can like keep editing my images also. My collage is full, everyone. As you can see, this collage is full. I will export it as a collage and will edit it as an image. Export the collage. It is exported as an image, and now I can make editing. Now this thing is here. So what I can do, I'll go to my basic editor. I'll see that this thing can be edited by me. I'm going to like I can flip it if I want. I can auto fix. I'm not doing anything. Let me go back to layers. These are the background and these things. I'll go to these layers, everyone. आप देख सकते हैं. I click on text. This is the text. Now this is the If you want to enter, this is the way. If you want to go to the next line, you have to type everything on the left hand side text box, and from here you can manage the size. So what I'm doing, I have added the image into the images to the collage. I came back to photo editor and did this, and then I'm going to apply this. So these are the steps that you need to keep on saving these changes. So you are saving this, and then okay, now I'm going to save my computer collage, or you can give it name quality normal high. This is there, quality 2.27 MB. I thought no, I can manage with normal quality also because I am not going to print it. So I click on that normal thing, it will compress it, it will save it for me when I like normal. Now let it allow me this thing, save 569 KB everyone, saving to the same folder that we are working on for LBSSV. Going to presentation. The primary purpose is how like we can use images. So if you can see the collage somewhere, I guess it has just landed. Yes, Control C. If you do, you know, we had taken the size one by one. So in the collage also the sizes can be decided. So here is the collage, and if you want to see it, here is how it looks. Yes, so simple. So yeah, it is so simple because like we all are doing it together. It is not so simple. Your navigation will become quite quick if you people are doing it again and again. Now photo library, let me show you all the images which were being enabled. Now local storages, it allows you to store images on your PC locally, not on our servers, and use them in Designer. So I'm going to enable local storage. Please everyone enable local storage, enable, so that things are being saved by them, or you can upload it individually also. Like now after opting for local storage, if I'm going to put something, those things will remain on IPK. Browser cache you can call it. So this is there. I go to home page, and I'm concluding with IPKey's brief introduction to all of you. Suppose I go to edit a photo only. Sometimes we just need to edit a photo, resize, vesize, and something, all these things to be done. Now I'm expecting the photo I uploaded might be there, or the photos I created might be there, because they are saved in Canva also. I'm just going to Canva, and we'll talk about how to insert videos and how to do things through Canva, because Canva is a graphic thing, so we can cover it here only. I have discussed with you Spark Post, I have talked about Creative Commons, I have talked about Photor, Pixabay, Pexels, and some more resources. Let me go to my photo library everyone. Can you see I uploaded something? It is there. So I can open the image is open. Now I can edit it. I can rotate and flip. I can do this also. Straighten. I can rotate one side, other side. We can like do anything that we want to do. I can decide there are many things in it. Like you can keep on exploring them. Cloning is also there. Erase the background is also there. Suppose I want to erase the background. Now this is the background everyone. Erased. Save. Let me do some kind of, you say, mischief that way. मैं एक आपको एक स्मार्ट सा आइडिया करके दिखाता हूँ अभी. Collage 111 saved 6.7 MB. It is going to be a heavy file. Saved. Going to the presentation everyone, deleting this thing. Somewhere there was my photo. Yes, taking a screenshot of my photo with shift that and that, coming back to the empty slide because that was the one we created. ये लीजिए सर, पेस्ट हो गया. ये देखिए सर हमने क्या किया, ये देखिए. और अगर आपको और कुछ मैं करके दिखा सकता हूँ तो मैं भी दिखाता हूँ आपको. ये फोटो, ये एनिमेशन, ये वाइप, और ये essay, ये saved, और ये show. Yes. Everyone, we are getting the picture. Here it is.